session of Parliament has come to an end with productivity crossing 100%. 8 legislations were passed by the Rajya Sabha, including the overhaul of the Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, 100% FDI and insurance, and opening the nuclear energy sector for private companies. Debate to mark 150 years of India's national song, Vande Mataram, and electoral reforms were part of the Parliament's agenda too. The Parliament, however, did not take up the issue of air pollution. Opposition parties held protests overnight against the bill to overhaul the rural employment scheme. The bill increases the number of work days but also imposes 40% of the cost burden on state governments. The opposition is also upset with the government for dropping Mahatma Gandhi's name from the Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Shivani wraps up the Parliament report card for the winter session.
The winter session of Indian Parliament 2025, which ran from December 1 to 19 with 15 sittings total, ended after a flurry of legislative activity and political heat. Now, a central focus of this session was the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission, which was passed by both Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha, despite intense opposition uproar. The Congress attacked the government over dropping Mahatma Gandhi's name from what replaces the 2-decade-old Manrega scheme and also questioned the funding cuts in the scheme. Now, the session also saw approval of the Sustainable Harnessing and Advancement of Nuclear Energy for Transforming India Shanti Bill, opening up the civil nuclear power sector to private firms in India. Now, this is a major energy reform aimed at boosting clean power capacity, though critics raised safety and liability concerns in this bill as well. In addition, Parliament passed the Sabka Bima Sabki Raksha Amendment of Insurance Laws Bill to widen insurance access. Opposition parties staged an overnight protest and walkouts, with MPs even tearing the bill copies of the new bill replacing the Manrega on the floor of the Parliament, accusing the government of rushing legislation without adequate review. By adjournment sine die, the session combined legislative momentum and political clash, setting up a heated national debate on welfare, energy, and governance ahead of the key elections. Back to you.
Well, Shivani, many thanks for joining us. And one